A very warm welcome to Toronto. The local time here is approaching 3:10 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. And once it is safe to do so, please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Before you leave the aircraft today, please make sure that you have all of your personal belongings with you. If you require any assistance here in Toronto, please do speak to our ground colleagues who will be happy to help you. And for those customers who have ordered wheelchair assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated until the aisle around you is clear, and then our cabin crew will be on hand to assist you.